Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable depreciation schedule setup in FreshBooks for business assets, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable depreciation schedule setup in FreshBooks for your business assets, start by logging into your FreshBooks account. Navigate to the accounting section from the left-hand menu. Select assets from the options available. Click on the Add Asset button to create a new asset entry. Fill in the required details for your asset, including the asset name and purchase price. Next, specify the purchase date of the asset. You will also need to enter the useful life of the asset in years. Once you have filled out all necessary fields, look for the option to add a depreciation schedule. Choose the method of depreciation you prefer, such as straight line or declining balance. After selecting the method, enter any additional details like salvage value if applicable. Make sure to review all information to ensure accuracy. When everything looks correct, click on the Save button to finalize the asset setup. Your asset will now appear in the list, along with its depreciation schedule. To view or edit the depreciation schedule later, simply click on the asset name in the list. This allows you to make any adjustments needed as your business evolves. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your asset depreciation within FreshBooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then, if your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.